If you want to search songs on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, we have two ways to do so. You can, for example, use circle to search, so you can press and hold the home button or the navigation handle if you use gestures instead. So press and hold the button. And now over here we have this icon over here at the bottom. So we can tap on this option in order to make the phone listen and search for the song. So we can play, hum, or sing a song in order to try to get Google results. And in addition to that, you can also go to the control center, and here we can edit it in order to find the option that is not added by default, which is the song search option. So we can press and hold and then drag it to the top over here in order to add it to the list of options. And now we can go back to the control center in order to have an access to song search. And over here we can once again play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the results in Google. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!